Here's how to install a Rain-X truck and SUV wiper blade on a small J-hook arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Locate the buttons on both sides of the adapter. Squeeze the buttons and flip open the cap. Next, insert the opening of the adapter into the hook part of the arm and slide the wiper blade up until it's snug. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X truck and SUV wiper blades.